Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Humble Homestead Life. Today I thought I would scroll through and give you a little peek of my Homemakers home management planner. I created this planner because I wanted something very simplistic and easy to use, because a lot of the planners that I find in the stores are just overly complicated. There's usually a lot of pages that I never even use, so I decided to make my own. This planner is inexpensive. It's for sale on Amazon for $9.99, and it has vintage images in it, which I just absolutely love. So here's the front cover. The instructions say this book is designed to help you manage your days and months. There are 12 monthly calendars, budgets, and weekly to-do pages, along with 12 menu plan pages at the end of the book. Become more organized so you can enjoy your day and the blessings that God has given you. So you get a monthly calendar that's blank for you to fill out, so you can use this. You can just order a new book year after year and just input what month it is. I give you a monthly budget form to do this week. I give you days of the week. You can write down important things that you need to get done, and then you can add a weekly prayer list. This sample pages is actually from Amazon. I know if you use an app on your phone, you will not be able to access this, but if you go online to the actual website on your computer, you can access these pages. Unfortunately, I do not have this book in my possession at the moment to do an actual look through, so I thought I would just do this video and show you the pages that are available on Amazon for you to look at. And it's very simplistic, very easy to use. So if you're interested, go check it out. Until next time, God bless.